Hey, you guys, it's Coupon One Nation. We are inside of Publix. I'm going to go through the best deals that you could do from 7:15 to 7:21. For some states, if you're in Florida, your deals will run from 7:16 to 7:22. Let's go ahead and get right into it because Publix has some really good deals this week. We are going to start with our specialty cheese. We have our Gabbani mozzarella cheese. They are going to be buy one, get one free. I'm not seeing a price on here, but you could pick up one of them for half the price. And then you're going to go to their website and you are going to print out this dollar coupon. It will make your total even cheaper. Moving along to our produce section, a few items that I do want to point out that will be buy one, get one free is going to be on our fresh altitude salads. I absolutely love when these are free. I love any type of salad that is in the containers. I try to stay away from like the ones that are in the bag just because I'm really bad at like sealing things back up. But those will be buy one, get one free. We will also have our hot house cucumbers. They are going to be two for $5. They are going to be these right here. So those would be I2 for $5. And then we also have some of our cauliflower and our broccoli, the organic ones. They are going to be two for $7. So that would be right here, you guys. They will be two for $7. And it will be on your organic ones. So up top. Some other items that we will have are going to be on our blueberries. They are going to be buy one, get one free. I know the strawberries were buy one, get one free this week. It doesn't look like they will be buy one, get one free again, but the blueberries that were 3 for 10 will be BOGO. So if you want to pick up your strawberries today and then get your blueberries tomorrow, that will be the best way to do that deal. If you are needing to stock up on cereal, we will have our General Mills cereal. It will be the 8.5 ounce to like 10.8. They are going to be buy one, get one free. We're going to look at the ones that are priced at $4.99. You will pick up two of them. Two of them will cost you $4.99. And we were going to clip this dollar off with two coupon. We're going to be left to pay $3.99 out of pocket. Go over to Ibotta, submit your receipt to get 50 cents back. It is a limit up to 5 times, but that will be $1 you're getting back, making your final cost just $2.99 or about $1.49 each. One thing that I am noticing in the app is that a lot of coupons are expiring on July 14th, which is today, and we have some really good deals that are coming this week, and some of those coupons we could use. So I'm hoping that we get a drop of coupons tomorrow because I'm like, what's going on? Some of these coupons are really good for the items that are going to be BOGO this upcoming week. So I'm hopeful that we will get some coupons that drop tomorrow, but let's get into the next deal. Our Lance crackers will be buy one, get one free starting tomorrow. We are going to pick up one that is priced at $4.79, and we are going to pay half the price since we're in a half BOGO state. Our price will be $2.39, and then we're going to clip this dollar coupon. We're going to be left to pay just $1.39 for one. So a really good deal on these, especially if you eat these or if your kiddos eat these as well. Some other options that you could do are going to be like on the lemon cream, the fudge, we have the toasty peanut butter. And I came down here, y'all, and they got Nashville High. It's a limited edition. But if this is something you want to try, you could do it for just $1.39. So let me know in the comments, have y'all had this? I don't know. They're always creating something different. We will have our Kotex liners. It's going to be available on the 68 and the 120 count. They will be on sale for $6.49. We do have a dollar digital coupon in our Publix app, which will make one of them just $5.49. And then we're going to go to Ibotta, submit our receipt for $1 back. It is a limit up to 5 times, but our final cost will be $4.49 for one. Starting tomorrow, we have a really good deal on our Aussie and our Head and Shoulders shampoo. When you purchase two, you will get $3 off automatically. That is a Publix promotion. It is not a digital coupon, but if this is products that you use already, you can go ahead and save some money on some of these items. So just letting you guys know what we have, but let's go ahead and move along to some other deals that we have on our body wash. Our Olay body wash is going to be a hot commodity this week. We have our Olay, the regular 22 ounce, that is going to be priced at $8.99. And when we purchase two, we are going to get $3 off. That is a Publix promotion. That is not a digital coupon, but you're going to pick up two of them, get that $3 off automatically, and you're going to clip this $3 off of two coupon. You'll be left to pay just $11.98 for two of them. Our Dow foaming hand soap will be two for $5. We do have a $1.50 coupon on two. It will bring us to $3.50 cents out of pocket. And then we're going to go to Ibotta, submit our receipts to get 50 cents back, and we must purchase two. It will make our final cost for two of them just $3 or about $1.50 each. Another deal you could do is on the Arm & Hammer hand soap. They're going to be two for $3, but remember we have that $5 off coupon when we spend $20 worth. You have some other Arm & Hammer products, so you could possibly use this as like filler items to get to that $20, but I will show you all that deal soon. Y'all know a diaper deal hates to see me come in, but we have our pull-ups and our Huggies that are going to be buy one, get one free. Now, the way that I would do this deal is I would pick up one of the pull-ups. They are going to be $10.49, but half the price will bring you to $5.24. You are then going to click this $1.50 coupon. You'll be left to pay $3.74 for one. Now, what I would also do is I would pick up one of the Huggies. Huggies are priced at $10.29. Pick up one of them for half the price, and then you're going to click this $1.50 coupon. It will make these about $3.64, and you would pick up both of those. Your final cost for both will be $7.38. So a really good deal that you can do, but we have a $1.50 coupon on each item. If you want to do two of the Huggies, you can, but your $1.50 coupon will only come off once. Of course, we have some toothpaste deals that you can take advantage of this upcoming week. We will have our Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste. It is going to be on sale for $9.99, and we have a $5 off coupon. It will end up making this just $4.99. Another good deal that we will have is going to be on our Colgate Total Active Prevention toothpaste. They will be two for $10. You would pick up two of them, and then you would click this $3 off of two coupon. You'll be left to pay just $7 out of pocket for both. So that could be an option. Honestly, you could get these cheaper somewhere else. Another good deal that we'll have is going to be on our Crusty White toothpaste. They're going to be two for $8. You could do this in a true BOGO state or in a half BOGO state, but you will pick up one of them for $4. Put this $2 off of one coupon. You're going to pay $2 out of pocket, and then go over to Ibotta, submit your receipt to get that $2 back. It is a limit up to one time, but that will make this completely free. If you weren't able to get the back to school supplies BOGO deals this week at Publix, it's okay because they will be BOGO again this upcoming week. Some of the ones that I really enjoy are going to be these G2 pens. They are going to be buy one, get one free. We also will have some of our Sharpie markers, buy one, get one free, as well as our highlighters. Our Elmer's glue will be buy one, get one free again. And then we will also have these Top Flight One Subject notebooks that are going to be BOGO. So if you need school supplies, go ahead and grab it at Publix. Another repeat deal that we will have will be on our Febreze air fresheners. They're going to be two for $7. And we have a $3.50 coupon that you can use when you pick up two of them. It will make your final cost for both just $3.50. Now, some other deals that we have that I'm super excited about will be on our Arm & Hammer products. They are going to be buy one, get one free. So starting off with our scent boosters, you guys, they are originally priced at $6.49. You will pick up a total of four of them. Four of them at the pre-sale price will be $25.96. You will divide that in half, which will bring you to $12.98 since they are on BOGO. And then we have this 5 off a $20 coupon that will bring us to $7.98 for all four. So such a good deal on that. Now we also have our Arm & Hammer detergent. So let's go down here and I'm going to tell you that deal. We will have our Arm & Hammer detergent. They are going to be buy one, get one free. You are going to pick up a total of four of them at the pre-sale price, which is $23.98. Divide that in half, which will bring you to $11.96. And then that 5 off a $20 coupon will apply, making your final cost just $6.98 for all four. We will have our Dave's Killer sandwich rolls and our buns. They are going to be buy one, get one free. They are originally priced at $7.49. Pick up one of them for $3.74. And then you're going to clip this 50-cent coupon. It will make your final cost for one just $3.24. That completes our Publix haul video, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know the deal. Give me some green hearts in the comments. But you guys, we have a really good week ahead of us. I am going to be back tomorrow with a full breakdown of deals. We're going to do some transactions and things like that. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. That way you never miss a deal.